Hi, Rick. Good evening. Hello. Am I audible, right? Okay. Then I'm going on. Let's start our session within 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, just 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for your response. Then, if you have any doubt regarding what the yesterday concepts, Swastik, is that the things which we are talk no? Is everything is clear, right? Yesterday class one. Okay. Hi, Tushna. Hi, Swati. Hello, Prapti. Can you guys hear me, right? Yes, that's great. Let's start our session then. Rest चाहिए क्या थोड़ा for few minutes? Hi, Manthan. Rest तो नहीं मिलता है. Okay, good evening. Okay, hard work करना पड़ता है. Exam अगले year है. Okay, you have to put a lot of effort in a single year. Okay, what you people will do in a last time duration of examination time, what you people are bright students होता है स्कूल के अंदर में स्टूडेंट को क्या करता है लास्ट मोमेंट में ज्यादा check करता है. At that time you people also motivated a lot and you started to work hard. Okay, no need to work hard in a last moment. Okay, it will changes your complete physical appearance also. Okay, try to work hard from this point onwards. Clear enough? Okay, that too great, guys. We'll start our today's session, and very good evening to all of you here. And guys, yesterday in last class we started the current electricity, as we know. Correct now, in current electricity, I told you the entire topic which we are. And yesterday class we covered electric current क्या होता है, conventional current क्या होता है, and drift velocity and electron current क्या होता है बोल दिया था मैंने. ओके, आज के क्लास में इलेक्ट्रिक करंट डेंसिटी क्या होता है, मास डेंसिटी पता है ना आपको. You people know the mass density, right? In a similar way, we need to learn about the current density, and then Ohm's law, and then resistance के बारे में बात करना है. Either in this way, around in these 3 points, you will get enormous amount of formulas. Okay, guys, लिख दो इधर. In this topic, you will get minimum one question in NEET. This is the point we can expect here, because lot of formulas will be come here. Okay. After temperature dependent resistance क्या होता है, color carbon resistor. This point we'll discuss today. Okay, if it permits, and also you also be a good engagement with us, means definitely we will reach up to the point. Okay, shall we start our class? Tell me in a chat box. Shall we start? Okay, it's good to go. Okay, guys. Before that, let us recall what we done in our previous day. Okay, it must and should. It should be. Last day we thought about. I taught you like that. What is current? Current क्या होता है? Actually, current is the number of electrons which are passing through in a unit area, in a unit time, in a conductor. That is known as the current. And I told you that if I'm going to keep on conductor in a normal temperature also, these charges will be moving in a random direction from left side to right side. But at this moment, there is no conduction current will be produced inside the conductor, because the movement of electrons or charges will not be in a unidirection. When it will be in a unidirection, then only we will say it's a current. For example, this is a season. I think in all over Karnataka, season is same. I think. Okay, क्या season चल रहा है? Monsoon चल रहा है. Correct now. If in case wind is start to blow in one side, one direction, means we call that one as a wind current. Wind is moving in one direction, means we call that one as an wind current. If water is flowing in a one direction, means we call water current. Correct now. Here also same, but is actually charges actually moving in one direction. Correct now. It is called the electric current. Charges को इधर electric से बोलते हैं. Clear है ना? This electric current also having a few types here. Correct now. What we discussed, electric current के लिए equation लिखे थे मैंने, Q by T, charge flowing per unit time. The rate of flow of charge is called as a steady current. In the second place, I told you that rate of flow of charge varies with time. With respect to the time, the current value is changing continuously with the magnitude. Means value के साथ change हो सकता है, and as well as the it will be changing its direction also. That time we will use the equation I is equal to dq by dt. This is for time varying current. Steady current means it should be constant over all the time. Time varying current में देखा आप इधर एक पर्पल कलर का वाला with respect to time current is continuously increasing, and green color वाला current is increasing decreasing. It's a fluctuating current. Correct ना? It's not a steady current. It's an varies time current. Time के साथ vary हो रहा है. Correct ना? And then coming to the D is an alternating current. Alternating current is nothing but time के साथ magnitude भी change होता है, along with that direction भी change होता है. That we called as an alternating current. Then after then we discussed about the conventional current. क्या होता है conventional current? देखो इधर कन्वेंशनल करंट के लिए मैंने बोल दिया था, if it is positive charge and negative charge separated means not it's separated in a conductor. Actually if positive charges are moving means don't think positive charges are moving. It's an ideally hypothetical concept. Positive charge won't move because positive charge will be present inside the atom. Correct now? It's an ideal concept. If positive charges will be start to move in a direction of applied electric field, okay, yeah, applied electric field के direction में positive charge move हो रहा है means we call this one as an conventional current. If in case negative charge move हो रहा है means that is also conventional current. Neat. What happened, bro? You raised your hand. Is there any doubt? Let me know. You have any doubt? नेम से लिख दो ना. एक दिन नीट होता है, एक दिन कैप्टन होता है, एक दिन कुछ कुछ होता रहता है इधर कुछ कुछ. ओके, इफ यू हैड एनी डाउट मींस आस्क योर डाउट इन द चैट बॉक्स. क्लियर है ना? दिस इज कन्वेंशनल करंट. टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ अप्लाइड फील्ड द मोमेंट ऑफ चार्जेस को फाइंड आउट करना है. करेक्ट ना? एक्चुअली इधर करंट क्रिएट हो रहा है just because of the electron which are moving from one end to another end in an opposite direction of the electric field. That we called as an drift velocity. Correct na? Drift velocity के लिए yesterday we derive one formula Vd is equal to a into tau, acceleration into tau. Acceleration के लिए E by m. How we find out it? Acceleration is equal to f by m. Correct ना? F by m is nothing but f means electrical force, q into e. Q को इधर e माना मैंने. Divided by m is the mass of an electron into 2. Is the drift velocity. E tau by m. Very important. And this equation I is equal to ne by d. We'll derive this one today. Okay. These are the things done in our yesterday class and also derivation part here, right? And meanwhile, guys, may I know, is there any doubt regarding about these three topics? Is there any doubt? फटाफट से बोलना है चैट बॉक्स में. ओके, नाउ चेक करो एक बार. इज माय वॉइस इज ब्रेकिंग और करेक्ट नाउ? Okay. Okay, Swastik. Good. Got it. Okay, guys. If you don't have a doubt, means let me know what is the correct answer for this question. Current is a scalar or vector? Current is scalar or vector? Swastik, untick yourself and tell me the answer. Good, Devegowda. Well, अरे यार देखो इधर, दिस इज द वायर. किधर है वायर? नहीं आ रहा है. अरे यार, आई एम राइटिंग समथिंग ऑन अ बोर्ड. आर यू कैन एबल टू विजिट? इज इट विजिबल? No. Yes, wait. Something what glitch happened here. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. I will reshare this one. हो रहा है. Just a minute, guys. Sorry for the interpretation. What is taking place here? Here it went. Here it is. Now it will come. Why it will be happen? I don't know. Sometimes it will be happen like this. Okay, done. देखो मैं क्या क्या किया था स्क्रीन के अंदर वो भी दिख रहा है. Look into it. Is it visible right now? Exactly visible. Okay, okay, I will clear your doubt. Okay, now देखो, अरे हाँ, this is a line, copper wire. Okay, here current is carrying. Just imagine current is moving. Okay, मान लो from this direction another one wire came. It is joined here. Here also current is coming. This current is 2 ampere. This current is 2 ampere. I'm connecting one more wire from here to here. Now tell me how much amount of current is flowing through this wire. How much amount of current will be flow through this wire? Obviously, very good, Swastik. This is well answer. Okay, this is 2 ampere, this is 2 ampere. देखो करंट इट इज नथिंग बट वाटर, वाटर के जैसे ट्रीट करो. इधर से 2 लीटर वाटर आ रहा है, इधर से 2 लीटर वाटर आ रहा है. इस जंक्शन के बाद में इसके अंदर कितना लीटर्स वाटर आना चाहिए? 4 लीटर ना, that is 4 ampere. Means whatever the current is coming in through these two wires, no, it will be flow through here. Means junction में current store नहीं होता है, store नहीं होता है. Clear at this point? Means how you added this two quantities directly now? 2 ampere plus 2 ampere is equal to 4 ampere. You are not yet involved in here as a vector addition. Vector to ले लो, resolution करो. It is not yet done, right? Directly you add it. Means directly addition means it should be a scalar. They will ask current is, option देता है, first one scalar, second one vector, third one tensor, fourth one none of the above. Okay, now which option you will choose? Tell me in a chat box. 1 2 3 4 में कौन सा ऑप्शन चूज करते हैं आप? अरे यार, टेल मी इन अ चैट बॉक्स. भरत, देवेगौड़ा, मंथन, स्वस्तिक. हाँ, good. Again vector. It's a scalar quantity. First of all it is a scalar quantity. Okay, if in case guys option में tensor दिख रहा है means it is tensor. Okay, option में tensor दिख रहा है means try to tick on the tensor. Current basically tensor quantity. In the absence of tensor, try to choose scalar. Hope it is clear. Shall we move on? Okay, good. Okay, finally, what are the topic we are waiting? We came across here, that is current density. ये current density क्या होता है यार? देखो, first definition देखो. Current density is a point within a conductor is a current through the unit area of the conductor. कितना amount of current flow आ रहा है in a unit area, उसको measure करने का quantity we called as an current density. Around that point, provided that area perpendicular to the direction of flow of current at that point. Means इधर condition भी है. कैसा होता है condition? देखो, बोलता हूं मैंने. मान लो this is the conductor, this is a conducting wire. डायग्राम बहुत अच्छे से आ रहा है ना? Okay, this is a conducting wire. Conducting wire का एरिया है. This is the area. एरिया के साथ वेक्टर भी होता है, करेक्ट ना? इफ आई एम कंसीडर दिस द एरिया मींस इसका एरिया वेक्टर किधर होता है? ऑलवेज परपेंडिकुलर. दिस इज एरिया वेक्टर, डोंट फॉरगेट. नाउ मान लो इसके अंदर करंट फ्लो आ रहा है इन दिस डायरेक्शन में. ओके, मींस करंट फ्लो आ रहा है in this particular direction with a particular area. How much amount of current is flowing? How much amount of current is flowing means charges कितना flow हो रहा है ये area में in this particular area. If you calculate means you will get current density. Flux, flux, you know flux, right? Magnet, electric flux in a unit area. How many number of electric field lines are passing? That is flux. In the same way, your current density means in this given unit area में how much amount of electrons are passing, charges are passing in a single second. That is known as the current density. Simply we can say like this: current passing through unit area. Clear है ना? This is current density. Guys, current density define करने के लिए mathematically function we will use a symbol J. J का value क्या होता है? Current flowing in a unit area. Per unit area, sorry guys, extremely sorry. Per unit area divided by area. Per लिखते हैं I by A. I by A is the current density. Clear now? And then next, this is current density. Okay, I agree with this one. Then what will be the SI unit for this one? They will ask. SI unit के लिए क्या लिखना है? इधर देखो, करंट है न्यूमरेटर में. करंट के लिए SI यूनिट होता है एम्पियर डिवाइडेड बाय में एरिया है. एरिया के लिए SI यूनिट होता है मीटर. Then it will be ampere per meter square is the SI unit. Yes, exactly right, Martin. Good. Okay. Adhe question alli tell me that what will be the dimensional formula? Dimensional formula क्या होता है? I hope all of you know how to write the dimensional formula. Correct ना? M L T like that. इधर देखो, इक्वेशन देखने से क्या क्या मिल रहा है? इधर न्यूमरेटर में एम्पियर है. एम्पियर इज द डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला. SI यूनिट है एम्पियर. नो नीड टू कन्वर्ट टू एनी वे. करेक्ट ना? ओके गुड. एम्पियर मिल गया. डिनोमिनेटर में लेंथ है, लेंथ स्क्वायर. इफ इट कम्स टू न्यूमरेटर मींस देखो इधर एम्पियर मीटर टू द पावर -2 मींस इधर M L T के साथ एम्पियर भी आता है बिकॉज इट्स अ फंडामेंटल फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. एम्पियर M है ना? देखो एक बार, मास देयर इज नो मास, m टू द पावर ऑफ 0. L देखो मीटर है, कितना? -2. टाइम है क्या? देयर इज नो टाइम, hence its power will be 0. Ampere to the power 1 current value. This is the dimensional formula. Clear है ना? How many of you are clear with this one? Let me know in a chat box quickly. फटाफट से आंसर देना है चैट बॉक्स में. I will call one by one. Bharat, Devegowda, Swati, Krishna, Venugopal, Karthik, Punima, Prapti, Sinchana. Good guys. Okay, it is clear up to this point. Correct now? Next thing, few more points here only. देखो इधर, अब they will ask one question, a neat question था. Okay, what is the physical quantity constant in a current density? Current density में physical constant में कौन सा quantity होता है? ऑप्शन ए दिया था करंट. अरे यार करंट. ऑप्शन बी देखो, ऊपर लिख रहा हूं मैंने. ऑप्शन बी था करंट डेंसिटी. ऑप्शन सी था इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. ऑप्शन डी था नन ऑफ द अबव. Which physical quantity among these four will constant inside a current carrying conductor? This is neat question. If you have doubt means please go through the neat question once. No. Option B is wrong. Swastik. Muntan. I is the correct answer. Current value will be same at all the points. कैसे सर? मैं बोलता हूं, देखो इधर, मान लो this is the conductor which I choose. Correct ना? This is the conductor which I choose. इसका एरिया था, this is the area. Correct ना? Okay. If in case this material I'm going to bend करता हूं थोड़ा इधर, क्रॉस सेक्शन मीन्स क्रॉस हो रहा है एक पॉइंट में. एट दिस पॉइंट इसका एरिया वेक्टर इधर है. करेक्ट ना? एक्चुअली डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ करंट किधर है? दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ करंट. आई एक्चुअली इनिशियल में इसका डायरेक्शन ऑफ एरिया भी इधर था, नाउ इधर हो गया एरिया डैश. क्या हो गया एरिया? इट इज मेकिंग सम एंगल थीटा विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू द आई डायरेक्शन. At this condition, current density we are writing like that. I, it is flowing as usually because it is not changing same quantity into A ka, instead of A, we need to write along the x-axis. No, that time this A value can be written as A cos theta along the x-axis. Hence it will become I into A cos theta. करेक्ट ना? देखो एरिया का वैल्यू इधर चेंज हो रहा है, मींस करंट डेंसिटी चेंज हो सकता है, बट करंट वैल्यू विल बी सेम. नो, कैसा लगा मजाक? दे विल गिव द हलवा लाइक दिस ओनली. ओके, नीट क्वेश्चन, इजी था. कॉन्सेप्ट पता होता तो मालूम होता है, नहीं तो गया, टाटा, गुड बाय. क्लियर व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? करंट वैल्यू तो कांस्टेंट है, changing quantity area. If area changes means density change hota hai, current density. Clear na? This is also equation for current density. J is equal to Ia cos theta. Likh do. Okay, and then if I want to write this one in a short form means I will write this one like this. J is equal to I dot A, because cos theta function between our 2 points will be always dot product. Correct na? Dot product deta hai. Right? Now tell me guys, this current density is a scalar or vector? Tell me now quickly, is current density is scalar or vector? No. Okay, this is homework question to all of you. क्या करना है आपको? पता करना है whether this current density is scalar or vector. Okay, थोड़ा book open करो, पता करो. Okay, we'll move on to the next slide. Hope it is understood, right? Current density क्या होता है? Good. Okay, देखो next very important topic, Ohm's law. आपको पता है ना Ohm's law क्या होता है? If I okay, देखो इधर explain करता हूँ थोड़ा 10th standard भी. Okay, I think you people forgot now, that's why. मान लो this is a conductor. Okay, if I'm going to connect this conductor to external battery, okay, at that time ये potential है, potential देने के वजह से इसके अंदर क्या होता है? करंट क्रिएट होता है, करंट क्रिएट होता है. करेक्ट ना व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? देखो करंट क्रिएट हो गया. ओके, if current is created means what shall I write here? V is actually proportional to current. How much amount of potential you will give, based on that potential, current in that circuit will be, or conductor will be increases. Right what I am saying? Correct na? And it is actually saying proportional. By proportional है, exactly equal कर दो. Equal करने के लिए we invited here one constant, that is resistance into I. This R is called the resistance of the material. Resistance means मान लो इधर 3 electrons है, ये area में 3 electrons also trying to move in this particular area, but ये material का property होता है resistance. I will tell you deeply. Okay, what it will do, it not allow the 3 electrons, it might be allow only 1 electron or 2 electron. Okay, out of this 3 electron, 1 electron definitely will be abstracted by this material. That quantity we call resistance of that material. If I want to write this resistance means resistance value will become V by I. I को left hand side के लेके आना, then we call this one as an R is equal to V by I. Correct ना? Resistance value क्या होता है? Voltage by current. Right? इसको SI unit क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? Is anybody will tell SI unit क्या होता है इसको? वोल्टेज के लिए वोल्ट, करंट के लिए एम्पियर. करेक्ट नाउ इट इज नथिंग बट वोल्ट पर एम्पियर इज द एसआई यूनिट फॉर रेजिस्टेंस. अरे सर हम तो कुछ सुने थे, इट इज कॉल्ड द ओम. आप कुछ कुछ बोल रहे हैं. Yes, वोल्ट पर एम्पियर इज आल्सो नोन एज ओम. इसका सिंबल क्या होता है? ऐसे होता है, ओम. राइट? Is it understood? Let me know. Is it understood to everyone? Shall we move on? अरे भाई बोल दो ना. Okay, good. I will ask one question again. Either three equations are visible, correct now? Out of these two equations, which is correct? Is I is proportional to V is correct, or V is equal to E, V is proportional to I? Which one of these two will be correct answer? Tell me. I will give the name one or okay, A, B. Okay, Abhishek. Tell me, Abhishek. A, B, ये दोनों इक्वेशन में which is correct one? A और B? अरे यार, हाँ, गुड. एक्चुअली वोल्टेज कनेक्ट करने से करंट आता है, नॉट स्वाति. ओके, हियर इट इज रॉन्ग. इफ दिस इज फ्रॉम माय एंड, आई विल से दैट दिस इज रॉन्ग, बिकॉज करंट के वजह से वोल्टेज नहीं आता है. राइट? करंट विल बी फ्लो व्हेन देयर इज अ potential difference will be occur. Correct now? That potential difference will be provided by this battery. Right? That's why potential is proportional to current. This is correct answer as per my knowledge. Okay, if you write both are right means no problem. Exactly 100% if you want means try to write this one. This is correct. Clear enough? Okay, coming to the point again, one more question later. R is equal to V by I. Okay, tell me guys, now this resistance of this material is depending upon which quantity? Either it is depending upon voltage or current. Tell me in a chat box quickly. Actively participate करना है. किसके ऊपर डिपेंड होता है रेजिस्टेंस? I'm waiting for your answer. Good, Manthan. Well, good. Actually this resistance not depending on, लिख दो इसको, not depends on voltage or current. ये दोनों के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं करता है. I told you a best example in capacitor. Capacitance of the capacitor is Q by V. Q is the charge, V is the voltage, but capacitance of the capacitor not depending on these quantities. Nenpidiya, I take a one best example ever, green example. What is that? Memory card example. 4 GB means 4 GB only. It won't change with respect to anything. करेक्ट ना? एक क्वांटिटीज के ऊपर रेजिस्टेंस भी नहीं चेंज होता है बाय. रेजिस्टेंस विल बी ऑलवेज ए क्वांटिटी that is actually depends on some material constant. Yes, of course we'll define that one today. कैसे होता है, क्या क्या होता है, सब कुछ बोलता हूँ मैं. ओके, विल गो. ओम्स ला गया क्या? Okay, before that guys, इधर ही बोलता हूँ मैंने. Yesterday I stopped one equation. What is that equation? I told you that I का वैल्यू होता है NE VD. करेक्ट ना? ये कैसे आ गया सर? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. NE VD कैसे था? उधर लिखा था ना, इसलिए मैंने बोल रहा हूँ. राइट? I का वैल्यू NE ये VD ना, और NE VD छोड़ दो, मैं डिराइव करता हूँ. ओके ना? देखो इधर क्या होता है. As we know guys, this is not Ohm's law. This is not Ohm's law basically. From this point, definitely I will tell you one question will be appear. That's why it is very important. लिख दो उधर. This is not a Ohm's law. As we know, I is equals to, we can write Q by T. करना. Swati will come there. Okay, Q by T. Q को I will write as an N into E. N into E we will write, and then time. time what I write yesterday, it is an distance by, it's an distance by drift velocity बोल दिया था मैंने. If I'm considering this a conductor means इसका length है L, length है L, इधर distance कितना होता है, L होता है, divided by drift velocity means it will comes to numerator like this. Okay, done. We got here NE by L VD, drift velocity आ गया. Okay, drift velocity के लिए equation आ गया था E tau divided by m, उसको इधर substitute करो, then it is will become E tau by m. अरे यार, one more equation came, correct ना? You are not yet expected this one. Okay, इधर देखो, L है, this is E into E, it will become N E square E tau divided by m into L. देखो देखो क्या हो रहा है, this is actually equation for what? Current. Current के लिए equation बन रहा है इधर. ध्यान से सुनो, this is the equation for current only, this is equal to current only, correct now? And then from this step onwards what I will do, देखो, I value is equal to N E square tau divided by m L, correct now? Equation देखो, I missed one term here, ऊपर वाला मिस हो गया E, देखो, I will write this E here. Okay, इधर I will put a bracket for this one. Then next thing क्या होता है देखो, N E square tau divided by m, but E value हमको पता है. From the capacitor point I am saying that E value will be equals to minus dV by dr. It is nothing but V by L. Yesterday also said P not I. Bro Manthan, I didn't get you, bro. थोड़ा expand करो आपका question. Okay, either instead of E, shall I write this V by L here? I will write that one. Okay, if you say no also I will write. Okay, then it will be V by L. Correct now? क्या हो गया? हाँ, cool. Right, what I'm saying? Up to this point is understood right for everyone? कुछ तो गड़बड़ है इधर, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. I know this is. एक मिनट के लिए, एक मिनट, only 1 minute. हाँ, I thought it is something what wrong, rubbish. देखो क्या होता है इधर, मैंने मिस किया था इधर, क्या मिस किया था देखो, बोलता हूं मैंने, आई वैल्यू पता करना था ना मुझे, दैट इज नथिंग बट Q by T. देखो इधर, इफ इट इज कंडक्टर, ओके, इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वॉल्यूम हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ चार्जेस आर देयर, n number of charges are there, correct ना? n number of charges are present here in a particular volume length. If I want to take, means we need to multiply this one with the volume. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है वॉल्यूम. देखो इधर इसका एरिया भी है, इसका लेंथ भी L है, करेक्ट ना? Hence charge value will come out to be here n into E. Okay, these are the number of electrons or charges present in that volume. That's why we need to multiply here volume in that particular volume. Sorry for that one, guys. लिख दो इसको, volume divided time is as usually L divided by VD, करेक्ट ना? Okay, then n into E, volume क्या होता है? Volume is nothing but length into area. इधर I will write length into area divided by L drift velocity. It will comes to numerator. Hence it will be here E tau by m, or else you keep this one instead of drift velocity only, no problem. Okay, keep this one here drift velocity as itself, कोई problem नहीं. Okay, it will be drift velocity, and then this L get cancel. I value will come out to be here n E, ये दोनों. Next A VD, देखो I value आ गया ना, n E A VD. Guys, remember this one always. Remember this one always. Don't forget this one. Cool. Okay, we got I value, right? Now tell me what will be the energy density यार, current density क्या होता है? Current density value क्या है? I by A ना, I by A. देखो current density value क्या होता है? I means here NE A VD divided by area. This area cancel means current density आ गया NE VD. Clear? Is it clear? ये दोनों इक्वेशन नोट करो, नेक्स्ट काम के लिए आता है ये दोनों इक्वेशंस. I will tell you where we will use this one. Cool. Okay. Next देखो रेजिस्टेंस. रेजिस्टेंस में बहुत सारे क्या है इक्वेशंस है. All this equation we will going to derive. All these equations now itself. Okay. देखो रेजिस्टेंस बेसिकली V by I. रेजिस्टेंस का मीनिंग क्या होता है पता है ना? Resistance is a conductor only. Opposition offered by the conductor to the flow of electric charge. एक क्या इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस फ्लो हो रहा है उसको ऑपोज कर रहा है. ये स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी को we called as an resistance. Right? Here we got an equation I is equal to NEA VD drift velocity. Correct ना? And we'll find out this all the things now. Okay? कैसे आ गया AR? R किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है? सब कुछ डिराइव करना है. अब we'll go through it, right? Will go. Tell me in a chat box. अरे यार थोड़ा जोर से बोलो ना. Yes, actually I'm done today. 3 to 4, 3 or 4. 3 hours I'm regular continuously talking. This is the 4th hour. Okay, try to give a boost from your end, then I will get an energy. Clear है ना? देखो इधर I will write 2 equation. First drift velocity क्या होता है? Drift velocity will be होता है sir E2 by m. Okay, call this equation number 1. क्यों कर रहा है सब कुछ means just because of this equation. R is equal to VI. R as we can say V is equals to I into R लिखा था ना हम. R किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है ना उसको फाइंड आउट करना है. That is what final ultimate thing. Okay, ये हो गया. We know that one more equation I is equals to NEA VD. I will call this equation number 2. Before that we can do like this. From this equation I will remove the VD. Remove means sorry function करता हूँ VD को. If I do the VD as a function I will get I by NEA. Now I will call this equation number 2. दोनों ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी के इक्वेशन ही है. देखो ये भी ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी इक्वेशन, दिस इज आल्सो ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी इक्वेशन. इफ आई कंबाइन दिस टू आर दे दोनों इक्वल मींस वी कैन इक्वल दिस टू थिंग्स राइट हैंड साइड में. ऑब्वियसली सर इफ आई इक्वेट नाउ. ओके फर्स्ट इक्वेशन था E2 डिवाइडेड बाय m इट इज इक्वल्स टू सेकंड इक्वेशन का राइट हैंड साइड I डिवाइडेड बाय NEA. गुड थिंग्स. ओके देन नेक्स्ट क्या होता है देखो इधर ये पूरा का पूरा टर्म क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगा इसके अंदर लेफ्ट हैंड के साइड. देन देखो E I will take outside just for a sake of time. Then it will be N E into E, it will become E square. So A divided by M divided by M is equals to I. Okay, you got something right here. Correct now what we are writing here. देखो step by step. Cool. Next देखो ये E I will write as an V by L. बार बार लिख रहा हूं मैंने, थोड़ा concentrate करो यार इधर. N E square to A divided by M is equals to I. करेक्ट ना? ओके देखो इधर पोटेंशियल है, ध्यान से देखो इधर. दिस इज पोटेंशियल, दिस इज करंट. ओके इधर भी है पोटेंशियल करंट. करेक्ट ना? ये दोनों के बीच में क्या आ गया देखो इधर एक बार लिख रहा हूं मैंने इरेज करके. ये दोनों के बीच में क्या आ गया देखो पोटेंशियल इज इक्वल टू R into I. बीच में R है means R का वैल्यू we can extract from this place. Correct now what I am saying? ओके, नाउ यू पुट दिस वैल्यू हियर. कैसे लिखता है देखो, इधर आई विल राइट नाउ v n e स्क्वायर a 2 डिवाइडेड बाय, इधर ये दोनों को कंबाइन करके लिख रहा हूं मैं, m into l. m into l is equals to I. करेक्ट ना. देखो ये दोनों इक्वेशन कंपेयर करने से v के प्लेस में v है, i के प्लेस में i है, r के प्लेस में कुछ आ गया, कुछ आ गया, कुछ आ गया. करेक्ट ना. Shall I call this whole quantity as an r? Shall we call this one as an r? If I call this one as an r means then this equation become v. अरे 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 मिस्टेक हो गया ना. हाँ सर मिस्टेक हो गया. किधर मिस्टेक हो गया है चेक करो एक बार. हाउ इट विल बी आर होता है. करेक्ट ना. क्या करूंगा इधर देखो, थोड़ा सा ऑल्ट्रेशन करता हूँ. क्या सर वो थोड़ा सा ऑल्ट्रेशन. नाउ आई विल टेक दिस होल टर्म टू राइट हैंड साइड. राइट हैंड साइड ले रहा हूँ बिकॉज देखो v के पास कुछ भी नहीं है. हाँ ब्रो, हाँ स्वस्तिक. देखो v के पास कुछ भी नहीं है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, i के साथ है ना, इसलिए ये टर्म्स को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले रहा हूँ. इफ आई टेक दैट वन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, इट विल बिकम ml डिवाइडेड बाय n e स्क्वायर a2 into i. हाँ नाउ आ गया. करेक्ट, अभी आ गया है इक्वेशन. we can write v is equal to whole equation, we can write this one as an r into i. now देखो r का वैल्यू क्या आ गया इधर, ml डिवाइडेड बाय n e स्क्वायर a2 आ गया. करेक्ट ना. a2 इधर भी देखो बहुत चीजें है इसके अंदर. मींस रेजिस्टेंस इज डिपेंडिंग अपॉन विच क्वांटिटी. करेक्ट ना. m है, m मींस मास ऑफ द एटॉम, n मींस नंबर ऑफ मास ऑफ दैट इलेक्ट्रॉन. नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के ऊपर डिपेंड हो रहा है, e के ऊपर डिपेंड हो रहा है, चार्ज के ऊपर, एरिया के डिपेंड हो रहा है. मींस इट्स आउटसाइड एरिया. दिस इज टू रिलैक्सेशन टाइम. देखो इधर मास उसके अंदर होता है, चार्ज का मास है, नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स उसके अंदर है, चार्जेस भी उसके अंदर है, मींस मटेरियल के अंदर. टू मींस रिलैक्सेशन टाइम, दे विल बी कोलाइड, नो दैट इज आल्सो अंदर है. ये लेंथ एंड एरिया तो बाहर का बात है, बाहर का बात है. दैट्स व्हाट आई विल डू, r is equal to m divided by n e square. So I will write first, remaining thing will be l by a I will write. देखो देखो और एक इक्वेशन आ रहा है ना, देखा था क्या रेजिस्टेंस का वैल्यू ऐसे. नो सर वी आर नॉट एट सीन लाइक दिस इक्वेशन अप टू नाउ. यस ऑफ कोर्स. देखो इधर क्या करता हूं मैंने, इसको ये पूरा टर्म को I will write this one as an रो करके लिखता हूं. ओके, देन इट विल बी l by a. नाउ टेल मी, is this equation is already introduced in your 10th standard, right? Tell me quickly in a chat box. yes guys, देखो इधर फाइनली आई विल कंक्लूड दिस वन. r वैल्यू को लिखते हैं हम ml डिवाइडेड बाय n e स्क्वायर 2 into a. okay, but here this is the r value. okay, but here रो वैल्यू क्या होता है, m डिवाइडेड बाय n e स्क्वायर 2. इधर रो क्या होता है पता करना है. मींस रो इज द वी कॉल्ड रेजिस्टिविटी. वी कॉल दिस वन एज एन रेजिस्टिविटी. सर रेजिस्टिविटी क्या होता है, और एक क्वेश्चन, रेजिस्टेंस क्या होता है, रेजिस्टिविटी क्या होता है. करेक्ट ना. होता है. मींस रेजिस्टेंस मींस एवरेज फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन को ऑपोज करने वाला. रेजिस्टिविटी मींस इट्स अ मटेरियल मीडियम. ओके, इसका एक स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी होता है. इफ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक दिस पेन मींस दिस पेन का एक रेजिस्टिविटी होता है इसके अंदर. इफ आई एम टेकिंग अनदर वन मटेरियल मींस वो मटेरियल का अंदर रेजिस्टिविटी अलग होता है. करेक्ट ना. दैट इज कॉल्ड रेजिस्टिविटी. रेजिस्टेंस मींस इट्स एन एवरेज फ्लो ऑफ. ये रेजिस्टिविटी वजह से रेजिस्टेंस आता है. वी कैन से लाइक दैट. okay, now resistance is depending upon which quantity. If they are asking means just you tell me that in the place of if I'm going to put here rho means r is equal to rho l by a आता है. ये लेंथ के ऊपर डिपेंड होता है, एरिया के ऊपर डिपेंड होता है क्या. now tell me, डिपेंड होता है. if increases the length means resistance increases. If it increases the area means resistance decreases. Right now ऐसे change होता रहता है. And this resistivity means it is nothing but it's an interior property of that material. M divided by N E square. Clear now up to this point? Is it clear? लिख दो इधर क्या क्या होता है. I will explain this all the things in this single slide. Come to here. इस slide के अंदर आजा. I is equal to NE AVD. Is it clear? And इधर क्या किया मैंने VD को E by NE VD को E by M into tau कर दिया मैंने. Means E tau by M. It is nothing but. And I substituted that one. We got this equation. ML divided by NE square A2. इधर मैंने separate किया. M divided by NE square tau into L by A. Correct ना? This whole quantity I called as an resistivity. I call this one as an resistivity. देखो इधर where rho is the M divided by NE square 2 is a resistivity or specific resistance. Resistance is a directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to the cross-sectional area. And area of the conductor depends on the nature of the material. This conductor is depending upon the nature of the material. Correct now? And this resistivity depends on nature of the material. Resistivity also depends on the nature of the material, not on the geometrical dimension. पूछता है. Resistance guys depends on dimensions, length and area. But resistivity do not depends on this quantity. Resistivity only depends on the nature of the material. लिख दो इस पर. Nature of material. Clear now? Up to this point, is it clear for everyone, right? Let me know in a chat box once. Manthan, Gayan, good time. When you joined. Prapti, Sinchana, Swati, Swastik, Krishna, Yatish, Bharat, Abhishek. Is that clear? Good. Okay. Guys, I think it is enough for this class. Okay. Try to learn the things which we discussed today. Okay. Tomorrow class we'll learn about the relation between drift velocity, current, electric field, and then माइक्रोस्कोपिक होम्स ला क्या होता है उसके बारे में बात करता हूं मैंने कल. Okay, up to this point it is enough because today we learn about so many new formulas. Okay, in a single day if I'm talking about next formula C1 2 means it is not a good thing, right? थोड़ा रेस्ट ले लो but try to learn. Okay, कल से सेम इक्वेशंस आता है कुछ. ओके, उसमें भी नीट क्वेश्चन आने वाला चांस बहुत है. ओके, बाद में वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द कलर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रेजिस्टर्स. क्लियर है ना? इज दैट क्लियर? Okay then, fine guys, we'll meet in a tomorrow class. Take care. Gayan, it doesn't have any NPS pool. Actually it is YouTube recording class, so NPS pool nahi hai. Okay, no problem guys, we'll see you.